Hello there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I will be talking with you how you can create default template for your Adobe Premiere Pro. If you use the Premiere Pro software as a daily basis and you use some of particular content, for example, your intro or your outro every time. So how you can create and use it as a template. So the first thing for that you need to do is you need to start a project, and because I have already created it, so I'm just going to open this one, and here you can see I have already added my intro and lower third. So I want to set this thing as my template. For that, just save your project and then close it. Now after saving that project, now we will see how we're gonna use it as our template. Now go to File, New, Project, and give your project a name. Then click OK. Now here we're gonna import our template. Click here, select the path. For example, we have created this template. Open. Let it be as it is. Click OK. And now you will see these files. Now what you need to do is just drag this into your timeline. And now after adding to timeline, just delete all the entities except the entities in green color. Now again press delete and double click on it. Now you can see your template as it was configured in your template project. I hope guys this video might help you in order to create your own template and you can save your time. Thank you guys for watching this video and have a great day. Bye bye.